The sharpest mind is nothing, until it bows to the one who designed it. You've built memory like armor, logic like steel, focus like fire, but true mastery only begins when every thought bends to the divine will. It isn't only about being smart, it's about being guided too. This is where your intellect submits, aligns, and exceeds to a level beyond comprehension. In a world of illusions, Salah is your daily return to reality, pure, unfiltered, divine. Salah isn't a break from life. It's a command center reboot. Every time you pray, you're disconnecting from the illusion and reconnecting to the truth. Your forehead, the seat of logic and ego, is pressed to the ground. That's not submission. That's realignment. In a world that drains your focus, inflames your emotions, clouds your judgment, Salah purifies your system and restores high-performance clarity. You don't just pray to be good. You pray to be sharp, strong, and aligned. This is not a book. It's a live transformation from the Creator to your consciousness. The Qur'an isn't just recitation. It's tactical revelation. It rewires fear into discipline, grief into perspective, power into humility. It shows you the mental models of prophets, the collapse of tyrants, the patterns of victory, again and again. It's not old, it's timeless code. Every verse is a data packet designed to optimize how you think, react, and rule yourself. The Qur'an isn't meant to be read, it's meant to be run, like code in the heart of the awakened. The Prophet, peace be upon him, was the embodiment of divine intelligence in action. He was not just a spiritual leader, he was a negotiator, military commander, diplomat, husband, father, community builder, psychological master, and much more, all in one. His seerah is a real-life case study in leadership under pressure. His hadith are not just quotes, they are tactical frameworks for managing time, people, anger, pain, success, and even enemies. If you want to model excellence, study him. Dua is not a cry for help. It is conscious code, spoken by the soul, requesting precision upgrades from its designer. Each dua is a microscript of divine alignment. It doesn't just change your fate, it refines your internal software by filtering desires, upgrading patience, deleting fear. Noise trains you to react. Silence trains you to lead. Retreat isn't a weakness, it's weaponry. The Prophet received revelation in the cave, alone. Scholars created intellectual empires through stillness. When the world overwhelms, cut it off. Let your thoughts echo, let your soul speak. You now have the framework for true intellectual power. The secret weapon isn't how much you know, it's how fiercely you align that knowledge. Your intellect is a weapon, but only submission is the strategy. To ensure this knowledge is seared into your routine, I've created a complete summary blueprint of the entire system for becoming smart. It's your war manual for intellectual supremacy. And now, the framework is yours. You know the systems, you know the source. Now get up and tell the world what unstoppable actually means.